Welcome to our video on how to start making money using YouTube automation. We'll be showing you a 5-step process on how to automate a YouTube channel and start earning income from your content. Step 1. Get your tools. The first step in automating your YouTube channel is to find the right tools. We recommend all of the following. TubeBuddy is a YouTube management tool that allows you to optimize your videos for search, manage your comments, and track your performance. It also offers a range of features to help you monetize your channel, such as sponsored video and affiliate link management. vidIQ. vidIQ is a YouTube optimization tool that helps you research keywords, analyze your competitors, and optimize your videos to rank higher in YouTube search. Canva. Canva is a graphic design tool that allows you to create professional-looking thumbnails, channel art, and other visual elements for your YouTube channel. Google Analytics. Google Analytics is a web analytics service that tracks and reports website traffic. It can also be used to track traffic to your YouTube channel and to understand where your views are coming from. These tools can help you save time by automating certain aspects of your channel, such as scheduling videos, managing comments, and analyzing performance. They can also help you monetize your channel by providing features such as sponsor video management and affiliate link management. It's important to research and find the right tools for your specific needs. Step 2. Set up your YouTube channel. Once you've found the right tools, it's time to set up your channel. Here is a full list of required steps, with some of them available at the start and some of them that will take time to complete. Create a YouTube account. To create a YouTube account, you'll need to create a Google account. Once you have a Google account, you can create a YouTube account and set up your channel. Set up your YouTube channel. This includes creating playlists, setting up your channel art and profile, and creating a content calendar. This will help you stay organized. Set your upload defaults. By setting up your upload defaults in the settings menu, there will be less work required once you upload each video. Verify your account. By verifying your account, you'll unlock features like custom thumbnails and being able to upload videos longer than 15 minutes. Do this by adding a phone number to the account. Step 3. Choose your niche. Finding a good niche to make money using YouTube automation involves researching and identifying a specific topic or area of interest that has a large and dedicated audience. Here are some steps you can take to find a good niche for your YouTube channel. Research popular topics. Look for trending topics on YouTube and other social media platforms. Identify the topics that have a large audience and are gaining popularity. Analyze the competition. Research the channels in your niche to see what type of content they are producing and how they are monetizing their channel. Identify gaps in the market and find ways to differentiate your channel. Identify your passions. Think about your own interests and passions. You'll be more motivated to create content and more knowledgeable in a niche that you're passionate about. Look for profitable niches. Research niches that have a high potential for monetization. For example, niches like personal finance, DIY projects, cooking, or beauty and fashion tend to take a lot of opportunities for sponsored content and product reviews. Check for audience engagement. Look for niches that have active and engaged audiences. This will indicate that people are interested in the content and are more likely to engage with your videos and monetization options. Test your niche. Once you have identified a few potential niches, create a few videos and see how they perform. So you'll want to test the audience engagement and revenue potential. By following these steps, you can find a good niche that has a large and dedicated audience, and that has a high potential for monetization. Step 4. Start creating and uploading videos. During this step, it's time to start creating content. Your goal is to create videos that are informative, entertaining, and engaging. This will help you attract more views and engagement, which will in turn lead to more monetization opportunities. Since the goal is to automate this process, you will need to find people you can pay that will create the content for you. You will need each of the following: a scriptwriter, a voice artist, a video editor, and a thumbnail creator. We recommend hiring talent from Fiverr or Upwork, who already have experience making automated YouTube videos. Once created, you'll want to do each of the following. Optimize your videos. Optimize your video title, description, tags, and thumbnail for the best possible visibility and engagement. Schedule your videos. You can schedule your videos to go live at a specific time and date. And you can also set them to automatically post to other social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter. Keep creating content. Continuously create new and engaging content. This will help you to attract more viewers and engagement, which will in turn lead to more monetization opportunities. Stay consistent. Keep posting videos at regular intervals and be consistent with your content. This will help you to build and grow your audience over time. Step 5. Monetize the channel. There are several ways to monetize an automated YouTube channel, including ad revenue. One of the most common ways to monetize a YouTube channel is through ad revenue. This involves running ads on your videos and earning money for each view or click. To be eligible for ad revenue, you'll need to have at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours on your channel. Sponsorships. Another way to monetize your YouTube channel is through sponsorships. This involves partnering with brands or companies and promoting their products or services in your videos. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting other people's or companies' products or services and earning a commission for each sale made through your unique referral link. Product sales. You can also monetize your YouTube channel by selling your own products or services. Membership program. You can also monetize your YouTube channel by creating a membership program where viewers pay a monthly fee to access exclusive content, perks, and opportunities to connect with you. Step 6. Monitor your analytics. When trying to build an automated YouTube channel in an attempt to make money, it's important to use your analytics to understand what's working and what's not. Here are some ways to use your analytics to optimize your channel. Track your views, engagement, and other important metrics. This will help you understand what type of content is resonating with your audience and what type of content is not. Identify your most popular videos. Look at which videos are getting the most views and engagement. This will give you an idea of what type of content your audience likes and what type of content you should create more of. Analyze your audience demographics. Look at the demographics of your audience, such as their age, gender, location, and interests. This will help you understand who your audience is and what type of content they're most likely to engage with. Track your revenue. Use the analytics provided by YouTube or any other tools you are using to track the revenue your channel is generating. This will help you understand which monetization options are working best for you and how much money you're making from each source. Monitor your watch time. Track how long viewers are watching your videos. This will help you understand which videos are holding viewers' attention and which videos are not. Track your click-through rate, also known as CTR. CTR is the ratio of users who click on a specific link to the number of total users who view a page, email, or advertisement. It is commonly used to measure the success of an online advertising campaign for a particular website, as well as the effectiveness of email campaigns. By analyzing these metrics, you can identify what's working well on your channel and make adjustments to your content and monetization strategies accordingly. With automation tools, you can also schedule your videos, manage your comments, and respond to messages, which will help you to keep your audience engaged and grow your revenue. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to making your first dollar on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Follow these steps and you'll be well on your way to making your first dollar on YouTube. Let us know if you have any comments down below, and thanks for watching.